Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 40th day of 90-day challenge of spoken English. So, first I will have to say sorry to all of you for yesterday because yesterday's video was not good. There was so much noise behind me because I was on the terrace because I had guests in my house and I didn't get that personal space for making that video. So I went on terrace and made it there, and of course I didn't happy after making that video because I know there was so much noise in that video, but I don't have any option. So that's why I made it. And the thing is that as I completed my 40 days, the thing is that what, there are so many compliments I got, and some of my friends started saying me, those are not my friends, actually they are mutual friends of me, and they started saying, and I shared with you one incident that one mutual friend met me in the temple and started saying, oh, you open your YouTube channel and started speaking English. She started taunting on me. And I again, when yesterday I went on the when I went to market, then I met a friend, and he started saying the same thing that one of my friend told me, that, oh, you open your YouTube channel, but there's a so you don't have much subscribers and there's no much views you have, then why are you making, are you mad, it's a long process, and stop it. And I was like, who you are to say to me these things? But the thing is that, it's my choice, and I took this channel for improve my skill because it is my of course it's a part of my fear, and I will have to remove it. So there's no need of course I whenever people watch my video and do subscribe my channel, of course I feel happy, but there's nothing whenever I do not get views and subscribers, then it doesn't mean that I stop it. No, I'm enjoying this process. But I didn't understand. I didn't make understand him, like, I'm just saying, okay, yeah, you are right, but I just made it for my interest. Then he was like, okay, it's your choice. And I even didn't say to him to watch my video, to subscribe my channel. Again, he just came and started blah blah blah. I don't know. People are so, like, people behaving so erratically. How they, I didn't even say to him to give me advice, and did you like my video or not. He started saying by himself anything, and my mother was like, what he was saying. Okay, so I just want to say one thing. It's your path, and it is a very, time taking journey, of course, and uh, there is no specific thing for getting subscribers and views and likes. But the thing is that we have to improve ourselves. My competition is with me first. If I beat my fear, if beat my if I build that courage in me to do the thing that I want to do, then this is the thing that I really want. There's no mean to came here, uploaded video, and I feel low whenever I do not get subscribers and views. No, it's a part of my practice even. So it's a very good thing that I means I got a platform to do practice. Whenever, even, what happened with me, I skipped my one of practices, like I do for improving my skills, but I do not left this practice. I have to be, as I will have to upload video every day, then I do not skip that part by anyhow, means it is mandatory. And by anyhow, if I have work and I didn't get time to make to do my other practices, then maybe one of the practices left. But this practice, this uploading video, this challenge, I can't left it. It's mandatory. So this is the thing. That's why, I mean, the thing is that as I don't have any environment to speak with, but the thing is that this is, I mean, if somehow if I do not do practice for speaking English, but for in front of camera and for uploading video, I will have to do practice by anyhow. So this is the thing. I mean, because of this challenge, I will have to speak English every day. That's why I'm saying, I mean, I didn't want to make understand anyone. I just want to follow me. I just want to upgrade me. That's it. Okay, so thank you so much for supporting me and be here with me. Okay, Jai Hind.